If you are an AI engineer, a DevOps specialist, or a security researcher building the next generation of AI agents, listen up. This isn't just another bug, it's a direct backdoor into your infrastructure. Today, we are deconstructing CVE 2026-33017, the Langflow remote code execution vulnerability. Discovered in March 2026, this vulnerability carries a critical CVSS score of 9.3. It's an unauthenticated RCE, meaning an attacker doesn't need a password or a session to take control. By sending a single malicious HTTP post request to a specific endpoint, a threat actor can exploit unsandboxed Python execute call. In short, if you can reach the API, you can own the server. Let me explain you with a product architecture. Ordinarily, a user defines a logic circuit in Langflow Visual Builder. Consider this as a front-end portal, available to end users. This flow is then passed to backend LangChain framework, to manage the AI agents and the database calls. So you pass the data on front end via API calls, it reaches to your backend. Your backend will perform some actions now, right? Actions are represented here in LangChain terms as nodes. And typically they can either be invoking the LLMs or database operations or some other processing, right? Now pay attention. The vulnerability sits right here in the middle. Because Langflow fails to sanitize the incoming flow data, a malicious actor can inject Python code directly into node 2. Instead of a harmless database call, the system executes the attacker's script, granting them full access to your API keys or your secrets or your entire knowledge base. Let me explain this to you why. So, the Python's inbuilt function execute works in such a way that if a program passes user provided input directly into execute call, the function will typically runs it with the same privileges as the Python interpreter itself. So, a malicious string like import os.system rm-rf, this could delete a server's entire file system. So this was all. An unsanitized API call and a dangerous Python function are the main culprits here. The fix is available in version 1.9.0. Update immediately and stop this puppet master in its tracks. Secure your pipelines and keep your data under your control. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant.